Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you about the following mini cars here. Okay, the first one is a truck Hero Spider-Man red color, mini airplane. How about this one, everybody? A cement mixer truck. Okay, a cement mixer truck. How about this? Road roller. Okay, road roller. Another Spider-Man, my favorite hero, Spider-Man. How about this one? This is a broken cement mixer truck. How about this one? Super motorbike, yellow color. Another nice super motorbike. This one is also a police super motorbike. Okay, now check the next one. A broken truck. How about this? Super motorbike, green color. How about this one? Helicopter. Everybody, helicopter. Okay, the next one. How about this? Everybody, how about this? Petroleum truck. A tanker truck. Nice petroleum truck. Another cute super motorbike. Airplane. Red airplane. Cute excavator. This one is a cute excavator. Okay, a cute excavator. How about this? This one I don't know its name. How about this one, everybody? Cute bus. Okay, the next. How about this one? Excavator. Okay, everybody, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.